in heaven. We're here at Three Fingered Jack Loop, Mount Jefferson Wilderness, Central Oregon, and look at how absolutely beautiful this is. Looking across a burnout wonderland, currently on Pacific Crest Trail. Here's my trail, and I wanted to stop and get a glimpse of our close, trusty friend, the mighty towering peak of Three Fingered Jack. This area, my friend, is a wilderness burnout wonderland. We are in an epic burnout zone. I cannot tell you how gorgeous this area is. This is an expansive section where you're just getting these premium views of our friend Three Fingered Jack. You can see this is a very interesting, ecologically diverse burnout zone. Lots of rocks and different types of trees and different types of flowers and bushes, and who knows, whenever there's a burnout zone, then it's kind of a fresh start for the area ecologically, and nature competes. You get a weird mix of random things you wouldn't even expect to find. It's pretty gorgeous, actually. It kind of reminds us of the cycle of life. Not to get too poetic, but I think there's something very beautiful about it if you really stop and think about how it all works. I'm in heaven. Still getting these incredible views of Three Fingered Jack. Hike through this burnout wonderland. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. You can never tell when you're looking at a map where the beautiful areas are. And it wouldn't be considered one of the highlight zones per se, but I mean, look at this. I think this is a highlight zone. I find this spectacular. We got prominent views of our friend Three Fingered Jack at this very stimulating, almost sensory overload Pacific Crest Trail. These different trees and bushes and plants and flowers and you name it, different forms of life. And I love all the different rock formations and angles, all the dead trees, the stumps kind of have an ethereal feel to them. This is quite spectacular, my friend. We are going through a magical burnout zone. I'm a fan of this area. This is why I like to come up here after I do Canyon Creek Meadows and Wasco Lake and Minto Pass. Come up here a little bit and capture this zone. Why not? They're already up in the zone anyway. Minto Pass is a couple hundred feet elevation. It's not bad at all, really. Oh, look at the magic. Look at the wonder. Oh, looks like we got a little tree stump we gotta go over here. We're here at Wasco Lake in Mount Jefferson Wilderness, Central Oregon. Wanted to show you this absolutely beautiful lake and area we're in right now. This is part of the Three Fingered Jack Loop, northern side.